Cutting your hair at home, you can save a lot of money. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube video, and today's video guys, I'm going to share with you on how I cut my hair at home. So without further ado, let's start. I actually cut my own. First thing first is you have to gather all your tools that you need. I have here, supply meron tayong gunting, zigzag na gunting, different types of scissors. I have two, and we're gonna need this. First thing first is kailangan straight yung hair niyo. First thing first is you have to cut the center. We have to divide it from here at the center. Must be center. If you've done that,
think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces.
it's supposed to be like V.
Time. Pictures so perfect we play through. Only cause you set up the angle. Web that you weave got us tangled. Caught in what's before our eyes. Show off your fantasy reality. Whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine.
Next is I'm gonna cut this in a half again. Like this one. Look. So as you can see, it's not that straight, but later on, I'm gonna find the solutions for that because we're not yet done. So next is gonna untie this two part, the last one, combine it together. Cut it like this. This is the result. But wait, we're not yet done. Function for this 2, 3. Okay, the last one guys, one. hairstyle. I can do like this kind of hairstyle. So guys, if you like this video and if you like how I cut my hair, and please comment down below guys if you like this kind of style or what kind of style do you prefer. Please comment down below, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Click the notification bell, and of course, share this video and leave a comment if you have more questions. And see you in my next vlog. Actually, I'm going to say goodbye for my hair because this hair would be the last hair as a single. March 5th of 2021 as a single, and because I'm going to get married on March 8th, 2021. So I'm just gonna say bye to my hair, and I'm gonna miss it as a single, of course. That's why I cut my hair. Be bye as a single, and then I'm gonna get married. I wish to have happiness and a good luck to my marriage, hopefully.